Hi, this is Gavin with Walker Tech Solutions LLC. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your file path at Trizetto Clearinghouse to work with Medisoft Network Pro. So first you will need to log in to Trizetto's website here at mytools.gatewayadi.com using the site ID that you get from Trizetto and your password. And then once you log in, there is a tab over to the far right called My Account. Click that and then go to Manage Products, and then there's a link Manage Product Files and Specifications. In here there is a you'll see claim file locations, and you'll want to do an add new location. So in Medisoft, it generates your files based on your server name, and then there's a shared, it's typically called metadata. Under metadata, we typically set up a folder called RM data, and then there's going to be a folder for each practice that you have set up in Medisoft. So I'm going to go into this particular practice folder, and all the claims are generated into a folder called Outbound. Just going to copy this folder name here and then paste that over here in Trizetto's website. And then the file name is default is claims.x12. And then you can select whether to delete the file after the transfer. We typically select delete the file and then click Save. Then we will set up the default remittance advice location. The default is one file. We like to separate the files by payer. Then you would set the default location, and instead of outbound for the remit, you want to select download for the last folder name there, and we can just default the file name to just star.star, and then you would click update. And that's how you set up your file paths over at Trizetto. And one more thing, while we are in here at Trizetto's website, there's also a link here for remittance advice settings. Let's go ahead and click that. And we'll want to pick ANSI 5010 or this X12 835 5010 format. And then we'll want to select the option here to put in the payer IDs into the headers. Basically it's telling it to use the Trizetto payer IDs, which is what we should have set up in Medisoft anyway. And we'll go ahead and include the rendering provider. Include NPIs when returned by the payer. We'll go ahead and batch our checks by check date. And then after that is selected, go ahead and click Save Changes here. And then that will cause the remittance advices from Trizetto to be Medisoft friendly as well. This is Gavin with Walker Tech Solutions, LLC.